Look at this mess. Ugh, and that mound of laundry. I guess let's get to it, I guess. So tired. The sun really kills you. Ow.
There's a fragrance on it that I haven't seen in over there.